Look at my awesome skin.
Yeah, that's so good.
I know, right?
Called sarcasm.
It's not sarcasm. I have one of the best skins in the game. And look at this godly emote. Why are you laughing?
Cause I don't think your emote's all that good, dude.
What do you mean?
Guys, I'm so happy. What?
Bro, look at this stupid pistol. There's a sweat down there, so I'm just gonna I'm kind of dead.
I don't have any. Oh, okay, coming. Where are you?
The weirdest thing happened. You know what happened? You know why I couldn't take the portal with you?
What?
When I took the portal, it like took me inside a house.
It did?
Yeah, it took me inside the red house. And I have it on camera. No, these men want a team. Oh, you got one.
I'm a 2 HP, dude.
You know there's a trick where you can heal silently? So basically you keep punching, and then like when you're about to do your next punch, you take the med. Oh my!
Hello, paradise. Okay, I'm gonna heal up here. I have 5 freaking spectators.
Probably from the sad bots you killed.
Bots don't spectate.
That's true, that's true. For a second I thought you weren't gonna join the Discord call.
I've been on it forever, dude. Don't fuck me. Oh, I want to heal.
Imagine if you...
Is like,
yeah, the scar's not that good anymore.
It used to be like overpowered. Ooh, RPG.
Yeah, the nerf, now it only has 24% ammo.
I know, which is kind of like really annoying.
You know what's sad? They nerfed the heal gun.
No, they did not.
Yes, they did. It only has 8 shots now, and it heals you less.
It does, so it doesn't do 20 like it did before?
No, I think it does 18.
Max? 18 max?
Yeah. They buffed the AR, though.
I know. FAMAS, they said it got nerfed, but it didn't get nerfed.
No, it's nerfed. It got like, it was its reload speed.
Oh, that's not much.
I know, I still like the FAMAS.
I've never really liked the FAMAS, honestly, dude.
I like the FAMAS because it's an AR and a spammer.
Like a combo of both?
Yeah. So then I can use like, so then I can use a sniper and an RPG.
Oh my gosh, I'm, fifth. I can fifth.
I was killed by E7 Mystic Dex.
That sounds like you.
Oh, it does it.
Mythic Dex.
I have 5,010 coins.
I have 0.
I have 31. I should have probably changed my skin.
You have the coolest emotes, dude.
I really like this one.
Yeah, that one Gump uses a lot.
And this one.
The wink.
Yeah, and the upset.
The upset I have, just I don't really use it.
I'm not that good because my finger hurts. My finger hurts because remember when I cut it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, totally, that's not why.
Bro, shut up, kid. Bro, I hate the bots and the range of closing doors.
No, opening and closing them. The range is like...
70,000 meters.
Let's get him. Let's get him, Alex.
Close the doors, close the doors.
Nice.
Give me the ammo. Can I have some AR ammo?
I only have 30.
Okay. You want this pump? I don't really like these kind of pumps.
I love pumps. It's not a pump, that's an assault.
Ah! They were camping in a house. Bro, this man got RPG'd. His name was even Toxic.
Seriously?
Yeah, I got killed by some... Wait, I'm gonna change my skin real quick. What combo do you think I should use? I have all the afros. Afro blue, peach, pink,
I don't
purple.
have any afros.
Which afro should I wear?
I like the pink. Let's do the Blossom Troll.
Okay, I'm gonna do the Blossom Troll. I'm gonna do the Blossom Troll.
Hey,
But you
here's
have
my
to...
boss.
But you have to protect me.
I know what to do. I don't have any afros, so here's my Blossom Troll.
Bro, what the heck is that?
I don't have any afros.
Look, I also got the devil.
How did you get that one? Isn't that like really impossible to get it?
I got it while opening a box.
What box?
A normal one.
Oh, basic?
Yeah. I
Rare
like that.
reset.
I like that emote. Wait, where should we land?
Awesome.
Oh yeah, when you forget that you're doing the troll. We landed at the same time. Nades, nades.
Nope. ASD shotgun, kind of OP. I'm gonna get to 100.
I'm at 150. No, no! You're getting attacked. I'm
I
leaving.
got him.
I thought you were someone else. Wait, look what I have. Yo, chill! Chill, man. I don't have an AR.
I have a 15, AR-15.
I only have an RPG. Jeez. Kill this bot.
KSG for an RPG. Oh, a spammer for an RPG. Here's my spammer.
Yo, chill. I already have a spammer. I have 10 RPG ammo. I'm not gonna waste it. Give me that man. I need his AR. No. Bruh, it has no ammo.
Seriously?
Okay. Got him. It's the same man that killed me last time. Yo, he had 2 snipers.
Does he have any shotguns?
Nah. Never mind.
Oh, I like the semi-auto. Semi-auto, I like.
Yo, chill. Chill. Bro,
Why are you telling me to chill?
I'm telling the storm to chill. Chill. Bruh. I literally got kicked. I literally got kicked out of my game. Yo, where are you? No. Yo,
Come.
sorry.
Oh, no. Come. Oh, I'm bad. Who did you get to buy?
UV, UWU something. I'm gonna put a different
Your
skin.
ugly skin.
My
Put on your
ugliest,
ugliest.
my ugliest skin.
Wait, do you have the band?
The bandana.
No, yeah,
Yeah. What color?
the teal.
Hmm.
You're getting in the game.
Where the teal one in game? No
You can be
mealies.
told.
Okay.
The internet. So annoying.
Sad face.
Hey.
I don't like that emote. Why the heck did I
Which
land?
one?
Huh?
What team I do not like?
I forgot to put one of my parachutes on, so I just have the normal one. Kinda goated though. I have an AR. Here,
What
brub.
do I have a skull?
Here. Yo, a shotgun.
Oh, I love the raid. Here, can I have it? I'll trade you for a spammer. A purple spammer.
Nah. I need pumps. Ah! Yo, go in the house.
Crazy games. He was like a big sweat, dude. Hey, now I have 50 points. I'm at tier 11. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's drop Mystic.
Mystic? I hate that you can't put your little checkpoint until the game
What do you
actually
mean?
starts.
What do you mean by that?
You know how you can put a little location mark? I don't like that it doesn't let you do it like while you're waiting. Why did you already land?
Oh my gosh, no. I didn't mean to. I'm just so used to hot dropping.
Yeah, superpowers is out. Yo, I got one of the stupid KSG shotguns.
Noob loves them / hates them.
Yeah, he does it for content. Yo, it looks like you're dying.
I found a scope.
Do you have any snipies?
No, but I do have a scope.
Yo, I've killed 4 people. 5.
1. I'm that OP kid.
Yo, this man's not chilling. Yo!
Oh my god.
Guys, help! He's literally chasing me down.
Where are you?
Ah! Bruh.
Yes.
This... Okay, I'm gonna run the opposite direction from you. You're at 1 HP. You got a scope? Oh!
I found it in a... Oh yes.
How are you not dead? Run!
This kid is so bad. Oh my god. Oh
Lol.
my. That was kind of like OP.
Wait, wanna do the out of the map trick?
But you have to have a lot of revenants. No, I mean,
Impulses?
you know what I mean, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, impulses. You have to have a lot of those.
There's another way. There's another way.
There is?
Yeah.
Nate.
No. The log, the little thing. Wait, I did a video on it.
Whatever. Oh my gosh, I got knocked. Where are you? Where are you? No. Alex, I need help.
I'm going.
I'm done.
Are they attacking you?
What?
Are
no,
people?
I'm just like really low.
Where the heck are you?
I'm coming up to you. Oh, I'm so low. I am so low. Oh, you're getting this close, Alex. You're getting this close. How? How in the world?
Look.
Back, Alex.
Let me show you silent healing. See? Punch, 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 punch.
Wow. Okay.
I don't have my volume on because you know what happened last time.
I don't have my volume on either. I never really play with my volume.
Look at the most OP loot.
Here's my loot. Okay, ready? Starting at melee. So here's what I got.
Yo, you got that? Give me all of that.
Any ARs? Oh, come back.
Yo, there's a man.
Oh, I see him.
No, there's another one. Ah! Help! Go down. Okay, I'm dead. That man has a dragon bolt.
Dragon of, okay. I still don't know. Oh, finally found an AR. Ooh, ski bombs.
You don't like cactus bombs? Why? They're fun.
They're fun until they do damage to you. And don't even.
Yo, there's a man. You were killed by Steve.
Steve? What a name.
Godamus name.
It's been forever since I've actually played.
Wait, tell my fans a message.
Can you refriend me and re-give me the Discord? I lost it.
It was only for one day.
My Discord. No, but can you do it, please?
Sure.
Yeah.
The friend request?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, do you have anything to say to the viewers?
Subscribe now or else.
Okay, guys, you heard it from him.
He sniped me.
How do you snipe someone without a sniper?
He had a sniper. He has a Mac Daddy Legendary. Oh. He's told you he had a sniper.
Well, he was one idiot.
Get him.
No, give me the sniper.
You have it, not me.
Yeah, I know.
You dummy. Do you have any heals on you?
Huh? I have
Do you have
this.
any heals on you?
Yeah. I have bandies.
Dang.
Yo, I got a pump. Here.
Oh, I'll take that.
A big pot.
You got a big pot, you lucky duck.
Yo, a scope they are?
You found it? Where?
No, some nades. I got some nades though.
I love nades.
There are some shurikens over there if you want any.
Shit.
Oh, I got a mythic.
You got a mythic.
Look at it.
I know what it is. It's an AK.
Just look at it. Look how precious and it's on the floor. Look.
Put it on the floor again. I didn't see it. I didn't see it, Alex. I tried to pick that up.
Ammo box. Wait. Let's share out the ammo. No. You made Alex sad. Alex very mad.
Oh, I wanted to take that.
Yo, I have a mythic AR.
I know. There's really not a big deal. How many?
You know what's funny? You sound drunk over Discord.
I do?
Yeah, you sound like you're drunk. Yeah, I'm not lying. Yo, come here. Oh, you're at 50%. I was saying there was some bandies. Yo, this man got the loot. He did some damage on me. Like 50% damage. No, wait, we have to pretend to be bots. Put down your weapon. We're bots, okay? Look, do you ever use your sprays? I don't use my sprays. But I do have some.
Oh, I've used my spray. That's my first time.
Wait. There's a spray that tells you your future.
No, there's not. Not gonna.
There's 7 sweaties. Yo, come in this house.
Help.
Come down.
It's troopy, kids.
It's not troopy.
Alex, come here.
Get behind the rock. Heal up. Yo, chill. Yo, no, I could have missed the perfect sniping opportunity. Okay, you freaking idiot! You know how much I hate this map?
Oh, I got him.
There's a sweaty right here. Attack him from below and I'll attack him from the top. Attack. Oh, you're...
No, I'm not.
I'm sorry.
Rev. Oh no, it's a 1v1. Watch this, Alex.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it. Oh!
Ooh, Rob. Knocked him down.
His name was Rob.
What? Okay. Alex, I gotta go. Bye.
Bye, see you later. I'll upload the video soon.